Hey beauties, happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney here, and really quick before we jump right in, I just want to address one thing in particular, and that is the fact that if you guys have been watching my last few videos over the last couple weeks, you've noticed that my intro has kind of been all over the place with what it says under my channel name, and that is basically because over the past couple weeks I've been working on getting my branding together, but I think I have it all figured out now. So just to clear up any confusion, I'm still going to be here every Friday, but instead of posting at 12 p.m. I'm now going to post at 1 p.m. and I will be here occasionally on Tuesdays, but not every Tuesday, so just make sure that you guys have your notifications turned on and you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming content. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out the CurlSmith hair makeup in the color Ruby, and if you are not a redhead type of girl, that's okay. This comes in a ton of different colors. This is damage free, it is cruelty free, it's vegan, all of the things us natural girls love, and it comes out in just one wash. I also want to point out a difference between this and the other temporary colors that I've tried in the past. This is actually a styler, so it actually even says right on the bottle, temporary color styling gel rinses out in one wash. So I think I've given you guys enough background, I've babbled enough, I'm ready to turn into a red-headed baddie, so let's get into it. Okay, so the directions on the back of the hair dye say to apply on damp, detangled hair, divide it into sections, and rake a generous amount through each section. Then scrunch to help the curls spring back, air dry or diffuse, and scrunch again to break the cast. And then two of the tips that they have are to apply a leave-in conditioner before the color, and that you can also apply more hair gel after your hair is completely dried for an extra pop of color. Okay, since I'm using a CurlSmith hair gel, I decided to go ahead and buy a CurlSmith leave-in conditioner, and this one is the Curl Conditioning Oil in Cream. I usually like to use the lock method, and since this has oil in it, I thought I could skip that part, save myself a little bit of time, and you guys already know how I am about the scent, so let's check it out. It's passing the vibe check. Let's try the gel really quick. Yes. Okay, they both smell really good. They're really light and natural smelling. I think they're a little bit fruity. They're a little on the fruity side, but I'm feeling it. Let's start separating this hair and get some color in it. Going in with that leave-in. It's nice and thick too. I like that. I like feeling like my hair is actually getting conditioned when I put a leave-in conditioner in there, you know? Some of them just feel like nothing. This might be turning into a CurlSmith leave-in conditioner and hair makeup review. Alright, we're conditioned. Let's get into this hair dye, honey. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I'm ready to get this onto my curls. I'm gonna do this kind of like a regular wash and go, so I'm just gonna kind of start by scrunching the bottom and then just carefully work that into my curls. I'm already kind of shook. I think I like it. Ooh, I do like it. And the ends of my hair are like a little bit lighter. As you guys know, I have that color left over, and look at it. It's just, it's pop, pop. Yes, okay, let's do the rest of my head. That's nice. I sound like my boyfriend. But it is really, really nice. That looks so bomb. Okay, next section. Okay, so far this is how we're looking. So just gonna let you guys see a close up really quick. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I think right now, and it's wet, so this might change when it dries. It looks a little more burgundy to me than red, but either way, I mean, for like a colored hair gel, I am really impressed. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and then I'm going to let my hair air dry and then diffuse the rest of the way and put some makeup on my face. And then when I come back, we're gonna talk about it. Okay, so I'm back with my results, and I'm really feeling this color, you guys. I don't know if you can see it in this lighting. I'm hoping that you can. It's not your regular bright crimson red. It's more of like a shimmery burgundy, but it is beautiful. I really love it. I chose to wear a light shirt so you guys can kind of see that it doesn't get on your clothing. Like we good over here, sis. We good. I am a redhead type of girl. If you guys know me personally, you know that years ago I used to be a redhead. That was my favorite color to dye my hair. If it wasn't a red or burgundy, it was a black. But now I'm trying to be healthy and not damage my hair anymore. So now that I know that I have this as an alternative, it's lit, sis, because I'm probably gonna be doing this all the time. I lied to you guys not. As far as the actual products, they feel really good in my hair. My hair feels still pretty moisturized. It's not dry, it's not crunchy. As you guys can see, it's still pretty fluffy and it moves around. It's free flowing, so I'm really happy with that. I will say I don't know how long I can keep this wash and go up because I didn't put an oil in my hair. It might get a little fuzzy in about 2 or 3 days, but that is okay. That's not gonna stop me from using this again. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys want me to try any of the other colors that I showed you earlier in the video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you guys again in the next one.